One second. Yeah, Kavya, you can start.
I request all of you to switch off your cameras. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. It's always a pleasure coming before you and presenting our simulation, ma'am. A very warm welcome to you for our conciliation simulation. To begin with, conciliation is an alternative dispute resolution process whereby the parties to dispute use the conciliator who meets the parties both separately and together who attempts to resolve their differences. In the modern world, no business intellect would want to disturb his business relationship because of the minor mistakes that would happen in day-to-day transactions. To maintain that healthy relationship with all the competitors, despite of the disputes, conciliation would be answer for it. Today, in this simulation, we're coming across a similar kind of a story where a well-known real estate company contracts with a construction company for construction of a residential complex, for which home buyers came forward in booking those apartments by paying advance. But the real estate company failed in handing over the possession of the said plans. What happened next? Before that, I would like to introduce the characters for the simulation. Okay. Pavitra Gowda, representing Starview Real Estate Company. Premashri, representing High Rise Construction Company. Pratibha, representing Skylight Designers. Nena, representing 25 Home Buyers. Manikanta as Trade Union Representative. Nikhil as Industrial Workman. Navin as RERA Adjudicating Officer. Prithvi as Conciliator 1. Meghana as Conciliator 2. And Narendra as Presiding Conciliator. Nishi as Advocate. Manoj as Aggrieved Home Buyer. Pavitra as Legal Assistant. Kirtana as Stenographer. Navina as Legal Assistant. Pinakini as Workman. Praveen as Aggrieved Home Buyer. Kuteja as Aggrieved Home Buyer. Finally, myself, narrator. To know where it all started from, here comes our first scene, scene 1, Starview Real Estate Company contracting with High Rise Construction Company.
Hello, High Rise Construction Company. We have a proposal deal for your construction company, which is beneficiary for both of us. So the construction in the proposed site comprises of villas, luxury mansions, apartments, and other facilities for the commercial building. So the budget would come up around 90 crores.
We are glad to work with you. Also, we assure you good quality of work and comply with all the requirement of yours, for which we would need at least 3 years.
Okay then, the plan sounds good to me. Then let's prepare the necessary agreement and let's get the work started at the earliest.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Soon after contracting with the construction company, the real estate company started advertising about the residential complex. see what happened next. Scene 2, buyers visiting real estate company.
Hello. We saw your advertisement on the TV regarding your flat systems near Begood Village, Nelmangla, and we're interested in it. Can you please explain us about this?
Hey, please have a seat. We are glad to welcome you. You have come to the right place, I must say. So let me explain the plan that is designed. If you're looking for the flats, in case each apartment flat would cost you around 70 lakhs, for the fully furnished flat, for which you're required to make an advance payment of 20 lakhs. So if you're okay with this, then we'll get the agreement started. What say?
20 lakhs. Sounds good to me. Okay. I will deposit the 20 lakhs via check.
Okay, awesome. That's great. So as per the plan, the design project is going to be completed within 3 years. I hope that's fine with you.
3 years. Oh wow, that sounds amazing. This will be my dream come true. Within such a short time, my house is going to get complete. Definitely. We'll sign the contract.
Thank you. We'll get the agreement started.
After receiving the advance money from the buyers, the real estate company contracted with the Skylight Designers, the interior designing company. Here comes scene 3, contracting with Skylight Designers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Skylight Designers.
Ma'am, I would like to show you certain design. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead.
Ma'am.
Okay, well, the designs are great, I must say, but I would like to go with the other ones. The previous designs, which you displayed, were very apt for the complex and also within our budget. So which you are constructing, so I would like to go with those, the previous ones.
Okay, ma'am. Then I'll go with it. It would be around 5 crore. Would you like to pay in check or cash?
Oh, 5 crore. That's in our budget too. So then I will assign my manager to look into this. He will take care about the necessary agreements and things. He will make you the payment through the check. I hope that's fine with you too.
Yes, it's fine, ma'am.
Okay then, well, thank you.
Thank you.
During the process of construction, the construction workers protested against the construction company. So let's see what happened then. Scene 4, trade union protesting against the construction company.
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರುವ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ. ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರೋ, ಬೋನಸ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡಿತಿರೋ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಏನೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂತು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ, ಕೂತು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸೋಣ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ.
ಮೇಡಮ್, 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೋನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪನಿಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗನ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೆನೆ ನಾವು ಭರವಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ನಾನ್ ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂತು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸೋಣ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿಮ್ ನಂಬಿ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾವು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ನಿಮ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸೋಣ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Since the trade union Nothing, ma'am. Since the trade union protested, there was delay in the completion of the construction work. So the real estate company failed in handing over the possession. That's when scene 5, buyers came forward asking for the possession.
What is this? You said in 3 years you complete a project and all, and you have still not handed over possession. How long are you going to take? And if this is the way you guys are going to work so unprofessionally, please return our money back.
No, we are very sorry for that, but cancellation now is nearly impossible. All the construction is being carried according to the design which is. So instead, you are going to pay. Within a period of 2 months, we will assure you the possession by the 5th of January of 2020. So the project will be early too.
Okay, I will see for these 2 months. Otherwise, I want my money back.
Thank you.
Allottees accepted the proposal and they waited for it. Even after 2 months, the Stavio Real Estate Company was unsuccessful in delivering the possession of the apartments. Hence, the Home Buyers Association approached Karnataka Real Estate Regulatory Authority. So, scene 6, Home Buyers approaching RERA Adjudicating Authority.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes, ma'am. Please take your seat. Can I know what problem you have gone through?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to file a complaint against Starview Real Estate Company because they're just inordinately delaying giving us the possession of our flats.
Yes, ma'am. The date of the possession will be previously informed. If they didn't give the possession on the said date, you can file a complaint under Section 18 of RERA Act.
Sir, I really want to file a complaint under this provision only.
Yes, ma'am. I will take the complaint now and I will suggest you to solve the dispute in the Karnataka RERA Conciliation and Dispute Resolution Cell. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I will do the same. Thank you.
Okay.
After first few hearings in Karnataka Real Estate Regulatory Authorities, the parties opted for conciliation under Section 32 Clause G of the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. In resolving the dispute, the Home Buyers Association appointed Mr. Prithvi Hechin to be their conciliator, whereas Stavio Real Estate Company approached Karnataka Credai, represented by Ms. Meghana. Both conciliators mutually appointed a presiding conciliator. Forum for People's Collective Efforts, that is Mr. Narendra Prakash. This is the panel of conciliators appointed by the parties. And here comes our scene 7, Conciliation Center, first session.
Okay. Welcome to Conciliation Center. My role here is not to take sides or not to determine one party is right, one party is wrong. So I, being as a presiding conciliator, I will make you to reach this settlement agreement. Firstly, I would like to explain what is conciliation. Conciliation is a process that allows people to solve their disputes in a way that is acceptable to both the parties. Conciliation is generally quick and it resolves disputes quickly, and it is given opportunity to parties to speak about their disputes. Conciliation is generally quick and it lasts only for a few hours. It is different from the court case. In conciliation, conciliator make parties free to make and is allowed to make suggestions which are available to both of them. In conciliation, there will be a private session and also joint session. Firstly, there will be a joint session, and if there is a necessity for a private session also. And finally, there will be a settlement agreement, which will be agreed by three of the parties. And conciliation is a process which is simple and is not like legal procedure. So if you have any doubt in this regard, means you may feel free to ask me.
We don't have a doubt, sir.
Okay, then we can begin with the procedures. Okay, firstly, I would like to hear grievances from the representative of home buyers.
With all due respect, sir, firstly, I would like to explain about the scheme and plans of this real estate company. Actually, we saw the advertisements in the newspapers and TV regarding the new layout, and that is near the outskirts of Bangalore, somewhere near the Begur village in Nelamangala, which is around 30 kilometers from the city. I am representing the 25 home buyers who also invested in this particular project, and I am also one among them. And to be honest, sir, I always dreamt of having a house of my own. Currently, I'm living in a house, I'm paying rents, EMIs, and interests. I also borrowed loan just to pay the advance amount and get the possession of this house, and I can call this house as my own. But to my shock, this possession was never delivered to me. I think I made a huge mistake by approaching the Starview real estate company. Because of this, my life has become a whole big mess. I'm paying monthly rents, monthly EMIs, which is at a really high rate, interest on the loans. I have to pay back the loan amount that I had borrowed from banks. So I am literally in a financial distress, and I'm also having I have this financial burden as well. That is why I'm still struggling to live in the dream house that I'm dreaming of. As we approached the real estate company, they replied that it will be completed by 2019. That is a duration of 3 years. And consequently, we booked it by giving an advance of 20 lakhs. But then, when we approached after 3 years, they said you have to wait for another 2 more months. We will complete the project and we would have to pay 10 lakhs extra. That also we did. But in spite of all of this, we weren't given the possession of the said flats. And this is why I was really disappointed after 3 months, and after 3 years, and after 3 years and 2 months in total, they didn't keep up to their promise, and they did not give us the possession of our flats as well.
Okay. Can I hear something from the real estate company? Can real estate company explain why there was a delay in the possession of the flats to the home buyers?
Yes, Madam Conciliator. I'm representing the real estate company. We are Starview Real Estate Private Limited. As we were looking for the plots available near the outskirts of the Bangalore, we got 15 acres of land near Begur village, Nelmangla. We got the land from the government only after completing all the necessary process for getting approved of the plan to build a residential complex named Heights Park, comprising of villas, mansions, apartments, and other commercial buildings. As we obtained the land, the first thing we focused was for a good construction company who could assist us in completing this project without any hurdles. But here we are. We entered into an agreement with the high-rise construction company to build the said project and the flats. And as per the agreement, they assured us they would be completing the entire project within 3 years of time. That is by the 5th May of 2019. We agreed for the same and entered into a contract with the construction company by paying the consideration amount of rupees 20 crores as an advance amount, and the rest of rupees 70 crores was to be paid after the completion of the said project. Meanwhile, we also contracted with the Skylight designers for the interior designing of the residential complex, for which we utilized all the money which we had obtained from the home buyers as an advance booking for the respective flats.
Okay, then what caused the delay?
Yes, so there's been no delay from the Starview Real Estate Company, but the delay was caused from the high-rise construction company. Since the construction company was not efficient enough in delivering the residential flats according to the contract and able to give the same for the home buyers. That's when the Home Buyers Association has approached for the reimbursement of the advance money, which they have paid. As we have already stated that we have utilized all these advances money in paying the Skylight designers, for the interior designing and for the construction company, we are already running short of funds. Further, on the path building of the project, we had additional deal wherein the home buyer made an advance of another 20 lakhs with a grace period of 2 months. But even then, the construction company failed and couldn't hand over the said flat.
High-rise construction company, can you explain briefly what happened from your part? Why there was a delay in construction and completion of the project Hyde Park?
Conciliator, as per the request of real estate company, we took the contract and got into an agreement with them. As per the agreement, we promised them to deliver the flats by 5/5/2019. That is the total duration of 3 years from the agreement dated 5/5/2016. As a part of advance amount, we took rupees 20 crores and the rest of 70 crores has to be paid to during the completion of the project and physical handover of the said flats. Many times, we approached the real estate company for sanctioning of additional funds, but they never showed interest in.
Okay, move forward. What happened next?
So, despite of all these problems, we strived really hard in completing the project on time. But as a hurdle, the trade union started protesting against us, which again caused delay in completion. But even then, we agreed for the conditions of trade union only because we wanted to complete this project as soon as possible. So, during the process of construction, workers protested against the construction company for not paying wages and bonus on time, and consequently, it caused a delay for 6 months. And hence, the completion of project and the date of handing over possession of the flats become late. So, and hence, we sat with daily wage workers and also union. And after various rounds of talks, and they agreed to work under a condition that their previous bonus has to be cleared and their wages has to be paid on time. We agreed for the same and also we paid the bonus. But meanwhile, the home buyers demanded to reimburse their booking amount. Respected sir, we are in this business field from long time, and even we don't want to lose our business partners for these minute mistakes which happen in daily business transaction.
Okay, I have heard all sides, and the session for today is adjourned, and the next date of sitting will be on 7/7/2021. Ma'am, can we relog in, ma'am?
Okay. Shall I leave?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh.